I am making a shopping list. I am making a shopping list. I need to go to the supermarket today. I need to go to the supermarket today. Do you have fresh vegetables? Do you have fresh vegetables? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I want to buy some apples. I want to buy some apples. Where is the bread section? Where is the bread section? I am looking for milk. I am looking for milk. Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? This fruit looks very fresh. This fruit looks very fresh. I need eggs and butter. I need eggs and butter. Is this on sale today? Is this on sale today? I will pay by card. I will pay by card. Can you help me find the rice? Can you help me find the rice? This is too expensive. This is too expensive. I want the small size, please. I want the small size, please. Do you have a cheaper one? I am ready to check out. I am ready to check out. Here is my money. Here is my money. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I got everything on my list. I got everything on my list.